today. You guys all ready? Orange team?
I'm ready.
Everybody awake? Alright. All that matters is we beat the red team, so that's why we're here. See it right here. See the concrete slab? We're gonna build right there.
At the count of three, we'll say Jesus. 1, 2, 3.
It's a cute little hydrate.
Corner, you're short. You gotta go back.
And we've already gotten the wall. Work it out. Oh yeah?
And then when you get to the bottom, you do the bottom and then up. It will be easier for you. You finish? Everything is good. Sit here. You sit there. And then push. Yeah.
Open the window!
Then you can finish it from behind.
Woohoo! Better, maybe? Yeah.
Letter, you can. Behind this is a.
Muy bonito. So cool.
A lot of time as well.
All that.